All right, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, with the Fortunes from Coventry, England. Here's one of our old songs back from 1973. Bring you back some memories. I still get the same old feeling tearing at this heart of mine. It's telling me that maybe I'm not really over you. I still get the same old yearning tearing my heart inside out. Love, there can't be any doubt I'm still not over you.
Where you got my name a year ago now, some mountains really look the same. I think it knows now. The places we would go still plays the song we used to know.
I still get the same old feeling tearing at this heart of mine. It's telling me that maybe I'm not really over you. I still get the same old yearning tearing my heart inside out. Love, there can't be any doubt I'm still not over you.
The forest where we used to meet is overgrown now. We will live there to someday, just on our own now. But like just you and me still brings back sad old memories.
I still get the same old feeling tearing at this heart of mine. It's telling me that maybe I'm not really over you. I still get the same old yearning tearing my heart inside out. Love, there can't be any doubt I'm still not over you. I still get the same old feeling tearing at this heart of mine. It's telling me that maybe I'm not really over you. I still got the same old yearning tearing my heart inside out. Love, there can't be any doubt I'm still not over you.
Now here's a story often told about a girl too young and a boy who thinks he's old enough to know the score. She thinks he's the greatest thing. He bought her a diamond ring. He got it in a fancy jewelry store. They spend their time just talking about saving money, getting out of this town. It's much too small. They decide to take a chance on life. She really wants to be his wife. She believes he knows it all. And he said, well, I don't say much, but I know I love your smile, I love your touch, love your touch. And your eyes just drive me wild. I'm a working man, and I work hard from dawn till dusk. That's who I am, but I don't say much. one night they both decide to face the music, go inside, explain the situation to her dad. The boy said, "Sir, we want to do things right. We don't want to steal away in the night. We don't want to make nobody mad." My father took it in his stride. He said, "Son, I'm not surprised, but realize the road you chose is rough. What makes you think you have a chance? Believe me, son, it ain't romance that pays the bills. The going can be tough." And the boy said, "Well, I don't say much, but I said I love her smile, I love her touch, and her eyes just drive me wild. I'm an honest man, and I'll work hard to gain your trust. That's who I am, but I don't say much." Well, in a couple of weeks they said goodbye. They left town to give it a try. Went and found a place of their own. A real young man and his pretty new wife, having babies, living their lives, miles and miles away from their home. Well, the years roll by, now the kids are grown. They have families of their own, and Daddy, well, he passed away. But Mama often comes around. Sometimes she'll sit her grandkids down and tell them what their grandpa used to say. And Mama said, well, he didn't say much, but he said he loved my smile, he loved my touch, and my eyes just drove him wild. He filled our family with love and joy and trust. He didn't say much, he just said enough. Well, it's been 2 years since Mama's gone. Me being the oldest son puts me in charge of the family memory. Precious memory. When my boy asked for my advice, I looked at him, I didn't think twice. If you need some words to live by, son, try these. Just like my daddy used to say, I don't say much, but I know I love her smile, I love her touch, and your eyes just drive me wild. I'm a working man, and I work hard from dawn till dusk. That's who I am, but I don't say much. Yeah, Granddaddy didn't say too much of anything, son. Yeah, we miss you, Dad.